Hello everybody, today we're going to see the unboxing of Calbiotech ELISA test kit. This is Calbiotech AFP ELISA test kit, which is alpha fetoprotein test kit. You can see the reference part number. The lot number is given in the manufacturing date on a standard of expiry period. It's a CIVD certified product. You can see it's manufactured in the US. You can see it's a 96 well plate and temperature is between 2 to 8. You can see the key contents are coated well plate, the controlled standard set, enzyme conjugate, wash buffer, stop solution, substrate, and then you have certificate of analysis. This is AFP ELISA test kit. Just going around the box for you. I'll just open this box for you. Just quickly looking at inside the box, you can see there is one AFP brochure. The AFP brochure says Calbiotech Alpha Fetoprotein AFP ELISA test kit. The Calbiotech AFP ELISA test kit is intended for the quantitative measurement of AFP in human serum. This AFP brochure where you get the complete explanation about the test and the principle of the test and how the test is conducted and how to prepare the samples and how do you conduct it and how to interpret your results. So you have the complete details to conduct the test. And then you have a certificate of analysis. I can show you this. You can see this certificate of analysis. You can see it says Calbiotech AFP ELISA. You have the lot number and also the catalog number is given here, and you can see the different contents from my typically you have the 96 well plate micro well coated, and then standard 1 to 6, and then you got the enzyme conjugate, biotin reagent, TMP substrate, stop solution, and watch concentrate. You can see these details here. I'll show you around. So you have the complete details. You can just keep this one here. Then you can see there is 96 well plate, nicely packed. You can see this here. It says streptor within coated wells, 96 well plate, and you can see the reference part number and also the lot number here. Other side of the pack. So this is the 96 well plate. It's completely sealed. You can see this here. And further inside you can see there is okay, let me show one by one. There is the wash concentrate 25 ml. I can show you that here. I can put it back. And then you got TMB concentrate. Then you get stop solution. You can see the stop solution. Then you can see AFP enzyme conjugate. You can see this here. It's very important. AFP enzyme conjugate. And then you got anti-AFP biotin reagent. You can see this here, this bottle. And then you have the standards. You can see. You can see the AFP, the standard 1. You can see this here, AFP standard 1. Then you get AFP standard 2. So you can see the AFP standard 2. And then AFP standard 3. Then you can see AFP standard 4. Then you can see AFP standard 5. Then you got the AFP standard 6. So quickly to summarize here, if you look at today, we have seen the unboxing of Calbiotech AFP ELISA test kit. In the 96 well plate box, you get one IFU brochure, one certificate analysis, and the 96 well plate coated plate, and the required reagents for your completing your test. You can see this here. Okay, thank you.